Hello, everyone. My name is Kate Winch, if you don't know me, originally from England, hence the accent, living in San Francisco. And I wanted to invite you to a couple of things. We're going to do a round of tapping. Um, Tapping into miracles is the theme. And tomorrow, there is an online abundance call from 10 a.m. Pacific to 11:30. And that is a super fun call. We do some meditation, some visualization. There's some writing to the divine, to the universe, to God, whatever word resonates. And then we do some tapping. If you're feeling stuck in any area of your life, it could be in your business, in finances, health, love, whatever area you may be working on. And then Thursday evening in San Francisco, in the Mission District at Heart Lab, which is a wonderful venue. It's beautiful. I'm doing my first live event there. It's that I haven't taught in a long time live, so I'm excited to be in person again. And then talking of teaching live, I'm also going to be teaching at the Amazing Omega Institute, which is upstate New York, June the 7th to the 12th. And there'll be tapping, hypnosis, dance, amongst other things. And the theme for Thursday and the retreat is tap into miracles, love, and abundance. So if you're feeling stuck, you may be dealing with anxiety or fear or anger, resentment, grief, all of these things, these heavier emotions can keep you stuck and can be very consuming. So the tapping is really great for clearing that. So tap along and repeat after me, and I'll put the links below for all those invitations. Tapping on the karate chop point, even though part of me has these blocks to miracles, love, and abundance. And I don't know how I can let them go. Maybe it doesn't seem possible. I wonder who I'd be without these blocks. And I love and accept myself anyway. Close your eyes, deep breath. Even though part of me has all this stress and anxiety. And I don't know how I can let this go. All these blocks to miracles, peace, love, and abundance. Part of me feels like I can't relax and I have to be on guard. But I accept who I am and I appreciate my feelings. Close your eyes, deep breath. Even though I have all these blocks to love, abundance, and peace and miracles, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway. Close your eyes, deep breath. And then we're going to the eyebrows. All these blocks to love and abundance and miracles. All this stress and overwhelm. All this anger and resentment. All this hurt and pain. This part of me that feels rejected and abandoned. This anxiety and overwhelm. This anger at myself and them. This resentment about what they said, what they did and didn't do. All this loss of power. It's so exhausting. And I'm so tired of suffering about this. All this turning against myself. all this judgment and criticism, judging myself, judging them, this anger and resentment. How could they be so unkind? All this hurt and pain, all these blocks to miracles, all these blocks to love and abundance, all this grief and sadness, all this disappointment, this part of me that thinks it's all my fault. Part of me thinks it's all their fault. I'm so tired of suffering about all of this. I would like to feel safe to relax about everything, to trust the divine order of my life, that good will come out of these challenges, and that good lies before me, that everything is working out for my highest good. I'm calling my power back, letting go of being general manager of the universe, giving this all to the divine to handle. I don't need to do this all by myself. It's safe to relax about everything. Good comes out of these challenges, and good lies before me. Everything is working out for my highest good. Pulling my power back from all dimensions of time and space. I am open and available to miracles. I am allowed to receive miracles, love, and abundance. I deserve to receive miracles, love, and abundance. I give myself permission to receive love, miracles, and abundance. I'm expanding my capacity to receive all the good the divine has for me. Safe to shine. It's safe to be seen. It's safe to be me. I love feeling calm and peaceful. Everything is working out for my highest good. Calling in miracles and magic, quantum leaps, divine guidance. And I listen to my inner wisdom. I know what to do. Safe to take action. Safe to love and be loved. It's safe to receive a new level of love, support, abundance, play, fun, and ease, trust and faith, joy, pleasure, and creativity. Life loves me. Everything is working out for my highest good. The best is yet to come. I'm excited about this new chapter. Life loves me. All is well. Close your eyes, hands on your heart, 3 deep breaths. Tuning in, listening to your inner guidance. What is the next right action for you? Is it to get support? Is it to make that phone call or clear your clutter? Go to the nature, to the ocean, to nature somewhere? What is the next right thing? Breathing in divine love into your mind, into your heart, into each and every cell of your body, showering yourself with tremendous love and compassion. It's safe to shine. Safe to love and be loved, expanding your capacity to receive, relaxing and enjoying the journey, and expanding your capacity to be open to miracles, to be open to a new level of love and abundance now. Life loves you, all is well. Thank you so much. Let me know in the chat how you're feeling after that round, and I will put the links below. So if you'd like to join me for any of those invitations, so I'll just remind you tomorrow you can come online. It's recorded if you can't be there live, and the abundance call. And we also have in that call, we have some dance and there's a get it done section as well. And so it's really fun. We do a lot of clearing and then you take action on something you've been putting off that's important to you. And then Thursday night is Tap into Miracles, Abundance and Love, live in person in the mission at Heart Lab. And then in June, we have Omega, the retreat, 5 days of fun. It's transformational. We'll be clearing out a lot of letting go of the past, making space for more of what you want as you move in the direction of your dreams, and being open to more miracles, more love, more abundance, and letting go of old past hurts and resentments. Magic says hi again, sending you lots of love. Drink lots of water. Much love. Bye.